Today, let me make this a little brighter. We're going to talk about 2.5 is about vectors. So we're going to learn what vectors are. We're going to learn how to add them and subtract them, how to find how long they are, what direction they're in, and then we're also going to learn how to make applications of them. So, vectors in a book are bolded, but since you can't bold vectors, like you can't bold it on your paper, the way we write a vector is you write the letter and then you write an arrow in one direction over the top, like a little half arrow. So that means vector specifically. Just so that you know, that's the notation that we use. In a book, it's bold. Okay, there are some other notations. If there's just a number out in front or a letter out in front, so like say it said 3 vector v, 3 is called a scalar, and you just multiply the vector by that number. And we also have absolute value signs around vectors. That means magnitude. So it tells you how long the vector is. Scalar, yeah. Okay, there's different types of vectors. There's a zero vector. Vectors are like points. They have 2 variables, an x variable and a y variable, but instead of having parentheses, they have these 2 carets on the end of them, which say that they are vectors. So a zero vector, both the x and the y are 0. Okay. When they say that 2 vectors are equal, so equal vectors mean they have the same length and same direction. They don't have to start in the same spot though, so an equal vector would be like this is a vector going this way, this is a vector going this way. Even though they don't start in the same spot, they're the same length and the same direction, so they're equal vectors.